So first, we have to come over Start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for Device Manager. After the Device Manager shows up, here you can see the battery section is open. If your battery section is not open, you just click on that and your battery option will be open. Basically, this too is the driver of battery section. So basically, you need to update these two drivers. So first, if you click on the first driver and then click on Update Driver and select Browse My Computer for drivers and click the Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on that and the select one and click Next. And it will successfully update your drivers. Click Close. So now we need to look for the second driver. Click on that, click on your right mouse button and click on Update Driver. And then select the Browse My Computer for drivers. Select the Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click Next. And you can see Windows has successfully updated your drivers. And if you close it, and now if you look here, here is your drivers. You can see. So this is how you can fix your driver icon into your Windows 11, also Windows 10. Very simple method. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.